You'd think that living between Yonge Street and Bayview would be loud and noisy, but here it's like living out in the country. Hey beautiful people, Andrew the Realtor here, and a warm welcome to 398 Allgood Street here in the Crosby area of Richmond Hill. So one amazing thing about the location here is it's exactly one small street away from Bayview Avenue, so you get all the benefits of being near a major street without all the noise. Now this specific area of Crosby in Richmond Hill is surrounded by great schools, parks, walking trails, local transit stops, stores, you name it. You're less than 5 minutes from the 404, Highway 7 or the 407, and the GO train's even closer. Okay, so great location, but let's narrow in on the home. Here, as you walk up this long private driveway, you end up at the garage. Currently used as a workshop. Because it's attached to the home, it's naturally heated throughout the winter. Now, let's check out the house. As you enter the home, I'll humbly ask you to keep one thing in mind. If you're a first-time home buyer or someone who's not in the building or construction industry, what you're gonna find is a nice, clean, well-laid-out home with a separate living and dining room, a spacious kitchen that walks out to a deck with a barbecue hookup, for those of you who like to barbecue, a very well-lit home with a finished basement. But if you're an experienced buyer, you'll notice that this home actually has true brick construction, which makes a second-story top-up very easy. You'll notice that this is one of the only insulated homes in the area. You'll notice the new triple pane windows, which make the home practically soundproof. You'll notice the custom floor, door frames, commercial grade locks, 200 amp service, etc., etc. The construction is top notch and the upkeep has been amazing. And here in the fully finished basement, we get this large rec room, a kid's playroom or possibly a second family room, another bathroom, laundry storage, and this large well-lit room that is easily a second workshop, fourth bedroom, or an office, you name it. Basically, the space in the basement is amazing. And if you thought the street was quiet, you should hear the backyard. You have a relaxing sitting area, you got a place for a garden, even a shed to keep all that stuff that you need to keep the backyard nice. So if you're a first-time home buyer, a downsizer or an upsizer, really anyone looking for a serene environment, this property is an absolute must-see. And if you want to get all the listing details, click on the link below. Andrew the Realtor, thanks for watching.